In this video, I'm going to show you how to make circle text in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do here is, of course, create a circle. So I'm going to go to Vector, top left. Here under Shapes, I'm going to select an ellipse tool. And then to create a perfect circle, as you can see right now, it's looking a bit weird. I'm going to hold down my Shift key, and then it's going to always create a perfect circle no matter what you do over here. So as you can see, mine is red with basically an outline over here. For you, it may be different. This doesn't matter right now. It's going to disappear anyways, okay? So just make sure you have your perfect circle here, or of course you could make an ellipse if you want to, completely up to you. Click on it, click on up top where it says layer, and then hover over convert, and click on to text path. When you do this here, it's going to automatically pop this blinker, and if I go ahead and type in, for example, hello, it's going to already start typing in a circle. However, this is too big right now, so I'm going to select it, and I'm going to actually make it a bit smaller, and I'm going to do, let's say, 72, there we go, and I can go ahead and just start typing. So if I were to type in some random stuff here, it's going to basically start typing inside this circle, okay? So as you can see right now, it's typing inside this circle. It's going to disappear for a bit, but don't worry about it because it's going to come back whenever we click out of here. And then if I go to click on this, there we go, this button is what has to be clicked to show it. It's going to allow you to see whatever you've typed, and it's going to be basically inside of a circle, okay? So it's going to just keep on stacking, of course, so make sure you do multiple circles if you want it to be more of them, and that's how you do it, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.